Welcome to Space Internet Solutions. Just on the Scottish borders, fitting the Starlink for a company called Lunatex. Not Lunatics, but Lunatex. Covering the full warehouse, working with Mr. Barry Little from Satellite and Aerial Services. Anyway, fed into a rack and then customer wanted full coverage. One Deco out there, one round there, and another one round the corner just to cover this warehouse. They make fire blankets, the lift shafts, believe it or not, all fed back. It's a switch over in the corner. Customer now has full speed package covering the whole warehouse. The installation. Feel free to get in touch.